Why did the disciples lock the doors? Because they were afraid of the Jewish authorities. Who came and stood among them? Jesus. What did he say? Peace be with you. How did the disciples react? They were terrified and thought they'd seen a ghost. What did Jesus show them? His hands and his side. Which disciple wasn't with them? Thomas. When the others told him that they had seen Jesus, what did he say? Unless I see the scars, I will not believe. How long was it before Jesus appeared to Thomas? A week later. When Thomas saw Jesus and his scars, what did he say? My Lord and my God. Can you finish this sentence? Because you have seen me, you have believed. But blessed are those who have not seen and yet believe.